DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know, so the Dan is back in the building with another reaction. Today, man, we got Skippa, we got going on. Not even all of the vibe song, gang. Don't jump right in track. Let's get it.
Me ain't gonna love me, no, but you can't cut that. Me no wanna love that. You hear me? I say, Father, love now, put me now where I got. Bad people, you hear that?
That's cause that from social media that wanted man from Canada that actually ended up killing himself. That's crazy. R.I.P. the G to the G, cause the G clearly had mental issues. You know what I'm saying? Going through some trouble, you know?
I got down the face. I went to my father, 7 to 10, brother. I was at 4 in the dark. Open the door in the dark. God, man, don't tell them father. You might tell dog, some pussy I play with dog. Back the boys.
Pussy I play back the boys. Skip them.
There's the beast, I'm no sense. I'm no sense. Skippa work like him nah no bed. Me focus, but my goal like when I can't take. Yeah, I look at you.
Yo, bro. Man say my work like me not. Yo, Skippa nah no sense. My work like me nah no bed. Skippa see a focus on the goal like. Yo, dog. You know what I'm saying? That. That one you should do that.
I'm no sense. Skippa work like him nah no bed. Me focus, but my goal like when I can't take. Yeah, I look at you.
Focus on my goal like when I can't take, bro. Come on, bro. Stop. This man got hey. Come on.
Dude, me can see say hardcore. The thing I work, you and your mother talk more. You turn the board now, fucking glass door. Me buy the me man now, me no care because.
The thing I work, your mother talk more, my yo. Yeah, man, tuck the door in a glass door, brother.
I'm not touching US for ever see passport. From my heart, me don't need a pen. Another song that was starting over again. Now me a boy too dark, me can't go pretend. A real boy love talk, I find we give them.
Sure, yeah, man, me a real boy, me talk, me no pretend, dog. You do no do talk. Hey, when I do the talk, I bind Ziggy boy, no. You see me and say, yeah, man, bind Ziggy boy, man. Come in, man.
Heart, me don't need a pen. Another song that was starting over again. Now me a boy too dark, me can't go pretend. A real boy love talk, I find we give them. You know a cheap clock fully. You want a boy nor a bitch chat to me. Tricky if you're
You know, say a cheap clock fully. You want a boy or a bitch that to me, you know, man. Man.
You know a cheap clock fully. You want a boy nor a bitch chat to me. Tricky if you're fun, pussy don't move, boomy. So
don't care if you have fun, dog. Don't move booming at this. Don't move shaky out. I want you. You get shook
on me. Me got a dope in my brain and my heart I bleed. The boy I feel a bag of pain, boy you can't go see it. Can't be no able for no kill me, make it party breeze.
Don't give up on me, my dope in my brain and my heart I bleed, bro. Come on.
Expect you figure understand all the reasons me do it at the line. Me bang and get the youth in the streets, I wouldn't have no one. And every man want me, put the phone in on. Yeah, so put the phone in on.
Every man want me out here that put the phone in on. Put the phones up, bro. Yo, Skippa, bro. Hey, this nigga right here, bro. This man go so relatable. This nigga like the scamming chronic law, bro.
One line I'm a can around. Put me feet in the land about a whole man. Me take it last bit of money what she holding on. Yeah. What she holding on. Me make she dip in the save pan and nothing now come back.
What she holding on? Make she dip in the savings. Mama, me no carry on ball, go down in the saving pan.
All man, me take it last bit of money what she holding on. Yeah, what she holding on. Me make she dip in the save pan and nothing now come back. She coulda pray to God. Yeah.
Man say, yo, let's make a whole man. And make she give me everything she holding on. Everything holding on. Me make she dip in her rascal saving pan. I know. Nothing now come back. She could have prayed to God. Yo, this nigga Skippa, bro. Yo, hey, bro, one of my favorite songs right here, nigga. One of my favorites right now.
Dipping at the sea of
hey, come on, this shit.
on, yeah. What she holding on?
Lord, let me pull it out, gang. This nigga savage. Come on.
Last bit of money, what she holding on?
Hold on, man. How the bomb buckling? Yo, come in. This nigga savage, gang.
The line I'm a can around. Put my feet in the land about a whole man. Me take it last bit of money, what she holding on? Yeah. What she holding on? Me make she dip in the sea every pan and nothing nah come back. She coulda pray to God, yeah.
This man savage. Come on.
What you gonna do when the booking slow down? Yeah. When the any turn around, money run low, you not see no one. Yeah. When the money turn some, tell your friends will change on you.
Hey, man, I ask you know what you gonna do, you know, when the booking time down, you know. When the money slow down, you know, man. Nobody not did. What you gonna do?
In my heart, I've got no room. These are deja vu. I'm a test the base, I'm enough. No sense. I'm an no sense. Skippa work like him
None
none
of
of them.
that bumblecly. Hey, come in, man. I rock with this shit. This shit right here. Playlist.
I'm an no sense. Skippa work like him none of bed. Me focus, but me go like when I can't take. Yeah, I look at you, me can see say you're hardcore. You think I work, you and your mother I talk more. You turn the board.
You can see hardcore, thing I work, your mother talk more. You know what I'm saying? People are recognize the G and give that you know?
A fucking glass door. Nobody be my know, me not care if it cost more. We be not touch a US before we ever see passport. Keeps on going.
We not touch the US before we see passport. Talk truth now, man. Talk truth now, man.
Keeps on going on. Keeps on going on. And on. Keeps on going on. Keeps on going on. Keeps on going
Easy now, man. Blood, please. Skip them. Hey, wait, I didn't say madman. Weird. Listen to the ad lib in the background, the voice. Yeah, man, MGB span the blood cleat tool, man. Bro, don't tell me say I crash him and drive, you single crash the bomb buck, lad. Weird. Bro, y'all think, you see the message? Listen, look at the message this nigga's trying to say. Y'all niggas funny as shit. See that shit blackout. Y'all drive lights. This nigga don't say that can't catch me this kind, bro. Skippa, mind what you doing now. Mind all these rituals in my G. Mind you call them anything upon yourself. You know? Nigga, shell out to Bumbug, Jungo. Yo, Skippa, big up your damn self, my G. Yeah, man, bad blood clot artist, man. That do his thing. Yeah, man, really enjoy the one there. Gang, let me know anything about the one there. If you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. You know, say Jambisco dance. Send no. Drop on the comments. Favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody. You know what I'm saying? Visuals, all that good stuff. Let's talk about it, gang. Yeah, man. Skippa doing everything, man. Really dope artist. Got far for going out of business. You know what I'm saying? Hope he keep doing anything. We're gonna always keep our eye on Skippa over here. You see me say dog a David, man. Dog a bad artist. Yeah, man. Really enjoy that one. Skip done. Keep doing that thing, man. G. Sky's the limit. You see me? I'm beyond, man. We've been a rock with you from day one. I'm still a rock with you now. You see me answer? Yeah, man. Night time, man. You see me answer? Big up yourself, Skippa. Keep doing your thing, gang. Drop your comment section. Let me know what your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. If you like to show the artist on our sport, make him some Jambisco dance. Send them. Drop a request. You're gonna get your shout out, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll it over here, gang. I don't know where I do a thing. You see me? Yeah, we do a thing and yeah, vibes there. Just drop a request so the videos can keep coming, the vibes can keep going, we can keep going. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. You don't know what time it is. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.